Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making oversized candies. These candies go great with your balloon setups. You can hang them on the walls. You can stick them in a stick and put them outside in your yard, especially with those yard signs. But let's get into it. We're going to start with 2 pool noodles. You can use 1 or 3 or as many as you want, depending on the size that you want them. And then we're going to take our duct tape and diagonally wrap it around the pool noodles. When you get to the end of the first one, you want to take the second pool noodle and attach it by wrapping the duct tape around the connecting parts multiple times. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then continue wrapping the white duct tape around the second pool noodle until you reach the end. And when you get to the top of your pool noodle, you want to make sure you close up the ends. I find it to look way better when the ends are white instead of red, especially if you have a pool noodle with a hole in the middle. You want to make sure you cover that up. And I like to pre-wrap my noodle just to get a little bend in it. And then take your hot glue and apply it to the pool noodle as you roll it up, and make sure you press down hard and don't let it go. Like, you don't want to let it go because it will unravel. Then take your ribbon and wrap it around the candy to secure it and let it sit for about 15 minutes to make sure it's nice and dry. Then you want to take your cellophane wrap. I have 40 by 100 right here, and wrap it around. And I use red ribbon to close the ends, and it adds, a little pizzazz. You can use any color ribbon you like. I wish I had gold. Gold would have been really pretty, but nonetheless, it came out nice. And voila. For my second oversized candy, I took a single pool noodle and cut 2 10-inch pieces off. Maybe I should have cut it into 3, but you can do it to your liking. I cut it in 2, so when we wrap it, it can be thick enough. Totally up to you. I used the tape that I was already using to attach the 2 noodles together to secure them so they won't be moving around in the wrap. And then you want to wrap the 2 pool noodles in the wrapping paper and close it up with tape, wrap in cellophane, and then secure the ends with the ribbons. For this piece of candy, I used the silver glitter ribbons. And there you have it. So quick and easy, nice decor to just go with anything for the Christmas holiday. Hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe.